What is the home buying process? I'm here with you to share some steps to buying a house for the first time. Take a second and subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the bell for more helpful videos like this one. I'm Holly Jackson with Turning Leaf Team at eXp based in Kansas City. Purchasing a home is a big decision and a major accomplishment. So congratulations on taking this step. Having knowledge of what is the home buying process step by step can help minimize stress. Looking back on the first house I purchased long before I was in real estate, I wish I had more help in understanding what I was doing as a first-time home buyer. So what is the first step in buying a house? Your first step would be to connect with a real estate agent. It's okay to interview a few and get a feel for how they communicate. And if you connect with them, this person is going to be significant in helping you through finding, writing a contract, and getting to close on your house. So you need to be confident that you can trust them to represent you. Your next stage of the home buying process would be to reach out to a mortgage lender. This can be someone referred to you from someone you know who has worked with them or through your bank. You will need to be prepared to fill out a loan application, share financial information like pay stubs, tax returns, and your credit score. A mortgage broker will be able to provide you with a pre-approval letter which will guide you in the next step in buying a house. The third step in the home buying process is to begin your home search with your realtor. The pre-approval letter will help to decide what budget you need to stay within, but you should also examine the price you would feel most comfortable with. In this step, you will want to prioritize things like location, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, style, features, school district, and square footage to narrow down your search. Step 4, when you have found the house you feel is the best match for you, the fourth stage in the home buying process is writing an offer. This step can be especially important in buying a house for the first time in 2021 or any time it is a seller's market. This means you may be competing with other buyers and want to make sure that your offer is appealing and beats out the competition. Your agent will help you in writing a contract, and you need to consider some items in it. Price, how much are you willing to pay for the house? Earnest money, how much are you willing to put down if the contract is accepted? Closing date, how soon do you want to purchase the house? Most mortgage lenders need 30 to 45 days to close on a loan, but only your lender will be able to answer this for you. Would you like a home warranty with the house? Will you be asking the seller to pay for any closing costs? The next stage in the home buying process is when your contract is accepted. You will have a few things you need to do, including paying your earnest money to the title company. Sometimes this can be done electronically or by dropping off a check. You will also want to complete a home inspection. Your agent should have inspectors they recommend and can help schedule this for you. Many home inspection companies have basic inspections which will include examining the HVAC, electrical, plumbing, roofing, and structure of the house. In Kansas City, this typically costs between $300 to $450. There are additional inspections that can be added like termite, chimney, sewer line, radon, and mold. Your realtor can help you in understanding what these are for and if you want to add them to your inspection. You will want to complete inspections as quickly as possible and determine if there are any repairs you'll ask the seller to fix before selling the house. You also have the option to renegotiate the price after an inspection or cancel the contract if you find there are major problems. In order to have your earnest money returned, you have to cancel a contract during the inspection period. Step 6 in the home buying process is after the inspection period. Your mortgage lender is doing their job to prepare your loan. They may ask you for more financial information or updated documents, and it's important to be quick in your responses so that it doesn't slow their process. They will also order an appraisal on the house you're purchasing. An appraiser will go to the house to verify rooms, square footage, and features to determine the value. Your lender will not give you a loan for the price you are under contract unless the appraiser determines the house is valued at that price. During this process, you can be doing things to prepare to move, like packing boxes and notifying utility companies so they are on and in your name the day you move. And even though you may be excited about buying a new washer and dryer or furniture to go in your new house, it is critical that you do not, I repeat, do not open any new lines of credit or make any big purchases during this time, or it could ruin your loan approval. After the appraisal, the underwriter on your loan is complete and your lender will notify you that you are cleared to close. The final stage of the home buying process is closing. You will go into the title company and sign for the purchase of your new home. There is a lot of documentation for both the transfer of ownership and obtaining your loan. The title officer will walk you through what you are signing and where to sign. Your real estate agent will be there to give you the keys to your new home or have made arrangements with you otherwise. And that's it. A quick overview on the home buying process step by step. Finding an experienced realtor is key to helping you through these stages, providing resources, and helping overcome hiccups that may occur when buying a house. Turning Leaf Team can help you if you are buying it in Kansas City or can help you connect with other fantastic agents around the country. Congratulations on taking this step to purchase a house. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the bell for more helpful videos. I'm Holly Jackson with Turning Leaf Team at eXp, where we are changing homes and changing lives.